Hey guys, I'm your makeup tutor for today, and I'll be showing you how to achieve a clean girl makeup look with just 3 steps. Let's get to it. Clean your face with wipes. Moisturize. Next, prime. I applied it on my T-zone, so I applied it on my cheek. This is an hydrating primer. Do not take a mattifying primer to your cheek, please. So next is foundation. Before you apply your foundation, make sure that you choose a foundation shade that matches your skin tone and your undertone, not just your skin tone. If you want me to make a different video on how to select your foundation to match your undertone, let me know in the comment section. Next, blush. After your blush application, go in with your concealer. I used 2 shades of concealer, same shade with my skin tone, and the lighter one, which is this one. And after that, use a compact powder to set your under eye. Set it well before going in with a setting powder. Set. After setting my under eye, I applied powder. At this point, I was already feeling myself. My skin is skinning. I've not even applied any setting spray yet, and my skin is flawless. Next, I applied a shimmer shade in the inner corner of my eye because I'm not in for any dramatic eye. Face card checked, my brow checked, and then my wing. I love wing. I used the brown lip liner to line my lip part. I just went a little bit outside my lips, make it bold, and I applied a nude lip stain. After that, you spray with your setting spray. After setting my face with setting spray, I was like, girl, you ate this look. And guess what happened? Nail light. I'm sure other content creators living in Nigeria can relate to this. And that's all you have to do to achieve this clean, skin-like finish. You don't need too much products. Not too much dramatic eye look. Everything should be minimal. I hope you learned something in this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.